Use the easiest steps today. Teach everyone. Become this. Whether it is daily or Chinese nice New makeup Year. For parties. First, let's spray a pre-makeup spray. Hydrate the skin. Then use a pre-makeup serum stick. Moisturize the nose. There is also the corner of the mouth, which is easy to get stuck in Allergies powder. Have been around for a week. No makeup a little. Wait a minute and wait for it to absorb before applying a sunscreen. Purple ones like this can just replace isolation. Look at the comparison of these two sides. The base makeup will be brighter later. Put it on his neck too, which can eliminate it. Color difference on face and neck. If the dark circles are stricter. If it is heavy, you can do it before makeup. Like this. Cover him with a monochrome concealer. Then we directly to apply the base makeup. This step is the air cushions foundation. Can be used by hand. Point him to lay his face flat. You can circle the nose and rub it in. If the pores are larger, it's not easy to shoot with a puff. Then pat it open with this dry puff. Look at the nose at this time. It's clean. There won't be that kind of situation where you can't get in. Okay, let's go to the coloring. Find one powder. Color or brighten by one color brighter than foundation. Apply directly to your hands with a dip or directly with a brush. Give him some paint under his eyes. This depression. And grooming. Wrap the nose first. Then the bridge of the nose. Root double C. Brush him with nose shadow. The large area of the cheek is patted open with a puff. Then pat the light off. Lighting this way will pull it out more firmly. Some next important blushes. Haven't used this in a long time. Put it on the back of his hand first. Oops, use this matching blush brush again. Poke in the cheek. This color is actually, the outside of the cheekbones can also be a little bit more. So natural. I haven't used it for a long time. I still like it. Also on the chin and eyelids. You can set makeup in this state. Use this chunk today. Some time ago, did you bring this small piece to Korea? If it is a small piece to take out the door. If it is very convenient to bring home, it still feels like not so good area. Divide it on your hands and knead it evenly. Then on the face. This color number, it will be more suitable for white leather than the previous classic color because the clothes I'm wearing today are that kind of fluff. So, just a little water light is gone before. There is another one in this color number. You can carry this on the back of the mobile phone case, super mini small. You can also touch up makeup, but that video has been deleted. Don't know you. Did you brush it? Then let's use this eyebrow powder. Draw your eyebrows. This is more suitable for beginners. Don't worry about mistakes. No need to use eyebrow pencil and eyebrow dye anymore. That's it. It's okay to be a little asymmetric. Anyway, the eyebrows themselves are not exactly the same. As long as he doesn't look alive. Just be hard. And then we will directly use a single eyeshadow. With fingers. Put it on his eyelids. The same goes for the left, because it has this inside, with a little flash. So directly, this color is enough for one piece of makeup. Then look for the dark brown in an eyeshadow disc. Like a poke. Fill in the inner eyeliner. Put this eyeliner pen. Fill in the lower eyeliner. He has his own brush on the other end. Can use this brush where the pen has just been drawn. Give him a smudge. Reuse the remaining powder of the brush. Draw a shadow of eyeshadow with this champagne-colored eyeshadow pen. Can't tell. God. Feel this eyeshadow. It's about to come out, and then I'll curl my eyelashes. Then fix the warp for him with mascara. With this matte finish, brighten your eyes and this eye makeup will be over. Become if you have. If you have time, you can put another false eyelash. Cover your lips with concealer. Mouth comparison today. Dry apply a moisturizing lip gloss. The color is just right. There's a lot of dead skin on the mouth, but I'll soak it soft later. There should be a dirty thing in this place. Just point a mole, cover it up and feel like the nose is a little flat. Deepen it with this powdery one. This makeup is done. Very everyday. If you want blush, you don't need to stack it anymore. A little makeup on camera, but every day is just right.